Learn how to fix touchscreen not working on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 or A11 Plus. So what we need to do is that we need to find the volume down button here and also the power button here, and we need to actually click and hold on them at the same time here, as you can see. So keep clicking and holding those two buttons at the same time. So just keep on holding, and you can see it now turns off right here, as you can see. If you want to be able to turn it back on, just click on the power button once again. So we're just gonna click on it once again here, as you can see, and it should now, or it should start up here, as you can see. Sometimes you have to click and hold on it 2 times. So this actually completely fixed it for me. I believe that when you do so, when you shut down your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 or A11 Plus, by doing that, you're basically going to force the Galaxy Tab to kind of like reboot it completely, but also kind of fix a lot of issues with it as well. At least that is how I experienced it myself. And after that, it was completely fixed for me. And as you can see, it now works for me. I'm able to use the touch screen once again here. It is a little bit slow sometimes though, just so that you're aware of that. But yeah, you can see I'm able to use it now, and now it works for me after this.